Once you've logged into your Google Drive account, simply click on the red New button in the upper left-hand corner. Drop down until you find Google Drawings to open up a blank canvas. The first thing you need to do is rename your drawing to something that you'll be able to find later. And in this case, I'm going to call it Google Drawings Snow Picture. Click OK. Alright, let's start with the background first. You can do a simple color background by doing a right-click background and picking a color such as this. If you want something a little bit fancier, you can of course make a custom color, or you can go back to transparent, which is great if you're going to do an image for a website. What if you want a background image instead of just a color? That's also easy to do. Go up to your toolbar and click on Tools, Research. You have a Google search column pop up. Click on the word Images. Use the drop down to filter by license, to use the free to share or modify even commercially. That takes care of any copyright issues for your school project. I can then just simply type in the word background, and I've got lots of things to pick from. I can be even more specific and type in snow background. Again, lots to pick from, and since these are free to use and share, as long as it's unblocked here at school, I should be able to drag and drop a picture over. For instance, if I want this one right here, I can pull it over, let it create the image, and of course it is just a tiny, small rectangle. I want it to cover the whole campus. That's a simple matter of pulling it out using the pull bars and getting it centered on the blank canvas, and I can do that by even centering on the page horizontally and vertically, and double check, make sure I'm completely covered. Alright, and I'll pull it down a little bit more here. What if I don't care for this particular color of this aqua? Right click again and do Image Options. Over here under Recolor it says no recolor, but if I want red, I can do red. If I want green, I can do green. If I want a lighter blue, I can do light blue. Whatever works. You also have adjustments here for transparency. I can make it fade out. I can brighten it up or darken it. If I mess up and go, oh, I don't like that, just hit Reset Adjustments, and it's fine. So I'm going to leave it with this light blue. Now, what if I want to add a title to this image? This is something most of you are familiar with. I can click on Insert Word Art and type in snow. Hit Enter to save. If I don't like that particular color, it's too light, I can change that up. I can change the line color if I want to. I can make the line darker or larger in this case. I think I'm going to go back and change this to a different shade of color. There. Okay, so I have snow, and perhaps I want to do another one, so I can go ahead and put snow day. And notice it followed the rules for the first one up there at the top, so it's the same colors. And I will make it a little bit. Okay, now I have snow day. I'd like to add an image to this. Again, I can go over to Tools, Research, and type in snow day, see what comes up. I have basic images have popped up. And I kind of like the idea of the shovels. So I'm going to grab this over here, put it right here. And it's not loading very well. Oh, there it is. Don't care for that one. What about the one with the kids and the snow village kind of thing going on? Nope, don't like this one. This one looks like House Springs. There we go. And again, if I don't like the green color, image options, I can go change the color up on it also. Done. Also make it bigger. Now, notice it's covering up my title. I can send it back. Send it too far back. How about if I just send it backward? And I will bring this forward. I can then make sure all of these are centered on the page. There we go. I now have a picture for snow days. You can make a copy of this. You can copy and paste it into a Google document. However, if you're going to use this for a presentation, you need to download it as a PNG image, PNG or JPEG image. I tend to always use the PNG image. I can download it, and there it is right there. Then it's a simple matter of going back over to my Google Drive, new file upload, go over to downloads, and find the image that I just put in there. Which is right there. I've now put that into my Google Drive, and it's ready to use for when I do a presentation. There it is, all ready to go. So, hope that gave you some ideas to use for Google Drawings, for infographics, Venn diagrams, charts, collages, anything that you would like to put together. Google Drawing will let you make a outstanding image to use for your presentations.